etle kutembe bani masesamba ngamasetse kwani accession
straight talk
noma yini
I-Women's Day, according to the way mina ngibona ngakhona, uku-embrace whatever is happening according to iside labo mama, because most of the time abo mama you'll find them ukuthi bangama single parent, babambe imizi, kusho ukuthi they are running ama household while abo baba bangekho. So sabona ukuthi kwabonakala ukuthi kufanelekile ukuthi abo mama the way babamba iqhaza ngakhona when it comes to economy, urana i-community, the society, ukuthi kube khona nje lelo langa leli eli special esizokhona ukuthi ngathini basi appreciate ngalo.
Bomme ba play a big role more in this world. Bomme ke batho ba important. Ke bomme ke bontate ba represent a role A1. So that's why maybe hona le Women's Day ile go ikopana again ile Mother's Day, because ba celebrate the important ba bomme. Ke bona ile go ba hlokomela everything go feta bontate.
Mme o tshwara thipa ka bohaleng, bomme ba special ke a dula ka tlung 9 months ntse ke tshwere ngwana, after that ke ngwana ke mo hodise, ke ne ke hodise bana jwalo bana rona batho ba bomme re strong haholo re hlokomela bonne. So bontate bona ha bana letsatsi la bona hobane ba re disappoint.
Nna ke nana ka gore anong basadi they are really important ne, and then ke bona ba tishitseng che ka moka rona banna re tse ke bona bo humans ngushisha mfo. They are very important reality. That's what it is for me, because it is what it is.
Bontate, they also play a big role again, because that's why we celebrate Father's Day again. So le bona if maybe ba ka play a role, hona le bontate le go ba play a role ya bo bamme. So na ke bena le problem hore Wednesday ka ba teng e kana ya celebrate.
Elabo baba while ngekho, because most of the time okay siyabona bo baba bakhona in higher places ba ama CEO ba yini, but when it comes to running ama household abo baba bayalekha, and sibona izinto eziningi ezimbi ezenzakala emphakathini wethu singathi 80% of it zenziwa abo baba. So that's why in most cases you'll find that ukuthi as much as abo baba sifuna ukuba appreciate ngoba bonke abafani, but siyafuna futhi ukuthi singabaniki that appreciation so that they can upgrade the standard of living sabo. And then so far ke sicela ukuthi ngathi i-Women's Day ingathi ngabi only kube i-Women's Day ngalelo langa kuphela, as much as celebrate ngalelo langa, but more of it kube ukuthi sithola i-respect kubo baba kwi society, and those unsung heroes khona bo mama benza izinto ezinhle in the community, but i-community or i-society ayazi ngabo. Ngathi singaba nalezo lawo ma events whereby we celebrate the unsung heroes.
Akere ba re tshwara ha bohloko, so ba kore motho a ntate ha o botsa gona tsela ke batla ho ya Jabulani, tsela e yang Jabulani ke efeng ha ke kgone ho mo direct, because bontate se re ba tshaba, e mong wa o rape, e mong o tshwara po, e mong o re wa o bolaya, o sokele fela a lo bolaya kwa sekake. Ke mo kgona re seng re ba tshaba ba batho ba bontate that's why ba sena letsatsi la bona.
I grow up hona le Women's Day, kile ka figure it out wa bona in many books, or how can maybe uskabana le Men's Day as Workers Day normal wa ngwe ma ke ka mogoleng ka ona wa ngwe tsa bona. So re ka se phishi nature as it is ngwe le nna ke iputisa go sa bane le Men's Day ngwe which men are not important or what, I don't know, but nano are really important le bona basadi ba ngwe tsa mfo, because ke bo mme ba rona ngwe tshwetse re ba support, that's all.
Na ke kore ka Women's Day ke fila monate, re ba proud ka bo rona hore re special, so ke fila right because le mosebetsing ha ke tsatsi la rona re tshwanetse re phomole le rona.
A new generation I celebrate like the old age one. Rona re celebrate ka tsela tse wrong, whereby re celebrate ka bojwala. We've been playful and the sickness is too much. Ho feta ka nako tsele tsa kgale-kgale. So hona tje bomme ba rona na ba play a big role ho feta rona batjha ba hona tje.
Langijabulisile ngale Women's Day ukuthi likhona celebrate. But njengoba ngisho ukuthi we need even more. Singabi Women's Day kuphela, kube na other women's not even women's, kube khona nele youth, especially amantombazana, where we celebrate young girls. Ukuthi sisiyabona ne society yethu deteriorate. We need ukuthi kusasa sizoba nabo mama aba right, but in order for them ukuthi babe right, they must be celebrated basese youth, so that when they grow up they must know how to handle themselves, how to run the country, the household, companies, emsebenzini la bazobe bakuma corporate ba ma CEO bazibone nabo bayabo somebody ngoba somewhere somehow they were celebrated. Now but they'll continue celebrating others abazemva kwabo.
Don't steal. There's a steal. That's it. Mara don't steal. As such, one toilet one. Humanity. Love each other, one another, one brother, one nature.
Straight talk.
Noma yini.
Thinta bhokot, thinta abafazi, imbokot.